My partnership with Cycle Gear actually started last year. We got to talking and they really liked what I was doing with my team, and they invited me to come be a part of some of the campaigns that they're running. And now, for the first time in a long time, they've jumped on board to help a MotoAmerica team, and in the Superbike class nonetheless. We've got Cycle Gear as our title sponsor this weekend at Laguna Seca. I mean, it is an honor, really. I mean, these guys have been such a huge industry player in motorcycling as a whole for such a long time, and that's a huge deal for me. I mean, that's huge. What I've built with KWR up to a Superbike program, and I think we're representing them well this weekend. I like the pressure of having a sponsor behind me that expects results. To have some external pressure is actually kind of nice, because that's what drives you to be successful. Is we're here to win, plain and simple. This weekend's been a good example. We're all driven to succeed, and so far it's going really well.